I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We just installed the 2014 to 2021 Lexus GX Hamilton conversion kit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This kit makes such a substantial difference in this vehicle. It's designed to make your 2014 to 2021 model look like the facelift version. We've done a lot to design this kit. We've been investing in it for quite some time. We've developed a fully custom system behind here to interpret your factory controls. As well, we've tooled this system to use your factory microphone, and ours is the only one on the market that will use your factory microphone. Our system here comes fully built in with wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll show you some of the features of CarPlay today, and I'll give you a walkthrough also of what the kit does. Here on CarPlay, whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other music app, including Pandora or any music app, it will automatically appear here. You have full access to all of your songs, and you can see how nice the new cover art looks. Of course, this display is much higher resolution, and it's a better touchscreen than your older factory display. You can see how nice it is. You have playing music here along with your maps here. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or any other Maps app, maps are really nice here. And you can use Siri to navigate. Hey Siri, get directions to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
Getting directions to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
Because our system uses the factory mic, Siri has no problem hearing
to
you.
Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
Siri will read you your directions.
Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first right.
Coming back home, you can also use Siri to read you your text messages or make phone calls.
Parker said, give me a call. Would you like to reply?
Call Parker.
Calling Parker Visuals, mobile.
Hello?
Parker, I'm calling you from a Lexus GX. Ours is the only replacement screen on the market that can use your factory microphone. How do I sound?
Sounds great.
Awesome. We'll call you back later.
All right, bye.
Any app that has a CarPlay component, whether news or an app that you use for your business or work, will automatically show up on CarPlay. Of course, underneath CarPlay, there's a lot of powerful functionality as well. You can load other apps onto this system. Any app that has an Android App Store component can automatically be loaded onto our underlying system. So that includes things like a browser, other Maps apps, or any other app that you might want to use. Of course, our kit maintains full factory functionality. Long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds will switch you right back to the factory system. And you can interact with it just like you would originally. Our buttons also interface with the original system. Because our system uses the factory microphone, you can either listen to music directly through Apple CarPlay using Spotify, SoundCloud, or another Apple Music, or you can use even your factory satellite radio or factory AM or FM radio. Our system will not compromise any of your factory functionality, so you can continue to use satellite radio or any other original radio that you might prefer. You can set those radios and come right back to CarPlay. Whether you're an Android user or an iPhone user, this kit has all the functionality you need. It's super awesome. We've spent a lot of time investing in it. We built it out with a very premium processor. As well, whenever you buy a kit from Hamilton Motor Company, you can ensure that, unlike stuff that comes from random places on the internet, every kit has been inspected professionally by our team here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We've gone through it and made sure that it'll meet your Lexus standard of quality. We have live tech support based in Raleigh, North Carolina. You can give us a call anytime, 919-858-2890. You can also shoot us an email, support@hamiltonmotorcompany.com, or you can check out our forum, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, and click on forum. We're here to help and we're here to serve you. We appreciate your business.